How do I add a client category? First, we will go to the Clients drop-down menu by clicking the arrow beside Clients in the Encore menu. We will then navigate to the Client Categories section. Client categories can be used for grouping clients by a category for reporting or marketing purposes. Type into the Add New Client Category field and click the green Add button to add the category. Once you have added a client category, you can start assigning it to clients. Navigate to the Clients menu option in the Encore menu. We have added a few test clients here. Select the client you want to assign to your category. Using the drop-down here, you are able to select the category you want to assign to the selected client. Click Save once done. We have finished adding a client category. Thanks for watching.